everyone, it's Lynnea, and it's time to unbox the April 2019 Flavor of the Month card kit by Scrapping for Less. Our theme this month is Spring Critters, and as always, you can find the ingredients and the sketches over on the Scrapping for Less website. You guys, this is my favorite kit that I have worked with so far. It is perfect for spring, and there are so many cute things in this kit. So let's start off with collection 1 called Spring Bees, and it has the Just Because stamp set by Sunny Studio Stamps. There's some Bumblebee stickers by Jolie's Boutique, this awesome sequin mix by Scrapping for Less, some yellow ribbon by American Crafts, and the Springtime paper by Scrapping for Less. I love those florals. The papers in this kit are my favorites that I have seen from Scrapping for Less so far. So that is collection 1. We're going to head on to collection 2 called Spring Birds. It has this gorgeous birds stamp by Pink Fresh Studios, and I love that little the watering can. I think that's so cute. There's a sequin mix by Scrapping for Less, these Friends stickers by Sticko, and then there's the ephemera by Pebbles. I'm not sure if everybody's going to be getting different ones, but these are the ones that came in my kit. I think they're fabulous. These little tags are so cute, and I like that they have sentiments right on them, so you don't even have to do any stamping for your card. You can just use one of those little doodads there. The papers are the Journey of the Heart paper by Gina K Designs. Okay, so let's move on here to collection 3 called Spring Frogs. It has this totally terrific stamp set by Scrapping for Less. There are so many cute little toad-themed puns in the stamp set, so super cute. There are these flowers, and they are like the fabric flowers, a sequin mix by Scrapping for Less, and then there are some wood butterflies by Doris. It's almost like chipboard, but thicker. They're actually wood. They're so cute. I love the detail in those butterflies. The papers are the Spring Fever papers by Scrapping for Less. And I am actually going to show you these papers individually because I love them so much. I love those little potted flowers in the corner. I love that one here there where you can cut it up and make like 6 different little cards from that one sheet of paper. And then the reverse sides are just as cute as the front sides. This is my favorite paper collection, and I've already told Teresa that I need more of these papers. Collection 4 is Spring Ducks. There's the Just Ducky stamp set by Scrapping for Less, and again, cute little ducky puns. Sequins by Scrapping for Less, and I love that the sequins are becoming more like a mix with the different shapes and sizes of sequins. There are the cloud stickers by Sticko, foil tags by K & Company. I'm kind of trying to show you the foil. It didn't really show up in my video, but they are foiled and they're gorgeous. These Spring Patterns papers by Scrapping for Less. So amazing. Again, I'm going to kind of show you all of them because I love them so much. So those are the 4 collections that you get in the April Spring Critters kit. You're going to get 4 envelopes, just as always, 1 for each collection. And then our cardstocks this month, we are doing Gina K Designs cardstock. So you're going to get the 2 Nina 110-pound classic smooth white cardstock like usual, and then an assortment of Gina K Designs cardstocks. As always, you can upgrade to the banana split card kit, and you're going to get everything I just showed you, as well as this extra little pack of goodies. So there is the multi-matte medium by Ranger, there's washi tape by Bo Bunny, a banner die by Doris, and an extra sentiment stamp by Scrapping for Less. And these little punny sentiments go great with all the other stamp sets in the kit. So that is everything in the Flavor of the Month April 2019 card kit. See you next time. Bye.